This is the ultimate comfort food, pappardelle pasta with slow braised short ribs. I made it for my young boy and he absolutely loved it. Let me show you how you can make it too. Season the meat, salt, pepper, add some olive oil, sear on very high heat. Remove and add your vegetables. Add white wine or red wine or skip the step altogether if you don't like to use wine. Add a generous tablespoon of Italian seasoning, salt and black pepper, 1.5 cans of some marzano tomatoes. Add 1.5 cups of water or broth, tomato paste, mix well. Add a bouquet of oregano and rosemary. Put back the beef. Add a rind of Parmesan cheese for more flavor. Taste the seasoning, cover and let it cook at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 hours. Remove the herb bouquet and the Parmesan rind. Shred the beef, remove the extra fat and mix them all together. Add half a cup of heavy whipping cream. Let it cook for 5 minutes and then add your cooked pappardelle pasta. Save some of the pasta water to thin the pasta as needed. Serve with lots of freshly grated Parmesan, basil, and enjoy. Recipe in the caption below.